The Nasher Sculpture Center was designed for the collection of Ray and Patsy Nasher by the Renzo Piano Building Workshop and opened in 2003. The downtown Dallas site has 5 parallel pavilions with travertine walls that extend into a garden designed by Peter Walker. The glass roof is covered by an aluminum screen that allows natural light to enter the space from the north. The basement has an auditorium, gallery, and offices. In addition to the Museum Cafe, you can head across the street to Klyde Warren Park for a variety of food trucks. Enjoy this beautiful garden and museum when you're in Dallas.